Hey guys, we're gonna learn some modal verbs in this video. These modal verbs are used with different meanings. Can is used for ability or request. Could is used for possibility and suggestion. May is for permission or future possibilities. Might is used for present or future possibilities. Must is used for necessity or obligation. Ought to is to do for what's right or correct. Shall is used for offer or suggestion. Should is used for advice and prediction. Will is used for willingness or prediction or promise. And the last word, would, is for request or invitation. Thanks for watching.